Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And as you can see, today's video is a bare face one, you guys. It's that time of the month. I didn't feel like putting on any makeup, but I needed to get these little videos up, so that is what we're doing today. Okay, so my lip of the day is just a Jaclyn Cosmetics lip oil. This one is in Lavender Pop. Y'all already know her line is discontinued, but I found this a while ago at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and that is where you can find most of her products if you're still into them. So that is just my little lip of the day. All right, you guys, so we are back with another small declutter, you guys. I don't have a lot of stuff in my collection anymore that I'm just like, I need to get rid of. So yeah, I have already done 2 declutters. I have a Bath and Body Works declutter video that I will have linked, as well as a Victoria's Secret one. I do have a ton of stuff still from my Bath and Body Works video. Victoria's Secret, I don't have a lot of stuff left, surprisingly. Some people that have reached out to me but never got back to me. There are some people, I had this one girl trying to like send me money through the mail. Like, that's not happening. Like, I don't understand. So I do payments through Mercari, you know, if you purchase from there. Also, if you purchase directly from me, I take PayPal and Zelle and Cash App. So yeah, those are that. And I do have a couple people that purchased some things, so they will be shipped off today. I didn't get a chance to do that this weekend because I kept forgetting to get more like bubble wrap and stuff. So yeah, you guys, your stuff will be sent off today and tomorrow. So yeah, this right here is mainly perfumes. It's not a lot of perfumes. It's not like the higher end perfumes. And then I think I have 2 body sprays. So I don't have a lot of stuff in here. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so the first spray that I'm getting rid of is this Mimic spray. It's brand new. I never used it. I actually have a couple dupes of this one. This one is 57. This one smells a lot like the Kayali Pistachio Gelato. It smells a lot like that. But I already have a few dupes of this in my collection. So I'm like, let's just go ahead and get rid of this one. And then the only other body spray I have is this Vanilla Nectar by Fleur. I sprayed this one time, y'all, and I just don't like it. I do not like it. I don't know why I never took this back to the store, because I was like, okay, I'm gonna take it back, and then it got past the 30 days and I totally forgot. So yeah, I don't really like this one. It's not my favorite, so I would definitely want to get rid of this one. And this is the, I think, the 3 fluid ounce. So yeah. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so I have some dupe fragrances in here. I have 2 clone fragrances in here. I did a video talking about these a while ago. I've never used these. This one is inspired by Lost Cherry. So let me show you guys what the bottle look like. And if you want to purchase them together, you can. If you want to purchase them separate, you can. Anything that's in a bundle, you can still purchase separate. I have a lot of cherry fragrances and cherry dupes, and I realized that I no longer reach for my cherries. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one, as well as this one, which is Thunderstorm. It is supposed to be inspired by Creed Adventus. This is like a man's cologne, and my husband didn't really like this one. So yeah, I'm like, let's go ahead and just get rid of this. So I'm in set. You can have the man and the woman's cologne, and obviously I won't be charging you guys full price. I think it smells nice, but he didn't really like it, so I guess he already has something in his collection that he says smells very similar. I have some Zara fragrances. These are smaller Zara fragrances. So I have this collection that I did a while ago. I talked about these. If I find the videos, I would link them, but as you can see, they are barely used at all. I probably sprayed these once or twice. You can buy them as a set, or you can buy them separately. So this one is Peach Glow. This one is Cherry Smoothie. And then we have Sultry Pear. So this Sultry Pear reminds me a little bit of Jean Paul Gaultier. And I do have the original label. So this smells very similar to that. So that's the reason why I'm like, I don't need those in here. This one smells some sort of like Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Again, I told you guys I have a lot of cherry stuff. And then this Peach Glow one actually smells like one that I'm thinking about getting rid of, which is the Skylar's Peach Fields. I feel like these two smell very, very similar. I haven't really pulled for this one in a while. I am still debating if I'm getting rid of this, but if someone is interesting, I would be willing to get rid of it. But yeah, I haven't pulled for her in a while, and this is the only one in my collection as a Skylar fragrance that I'm kind of like, I don't really wear her like that, so I would be willing to get rid of her. I also have these three Zara fragrances. I did talk about these. This is the Starlight Vanilla. We have Hypnotic Vanilla, and then Vanilla Vibration. It was 4, but I do use one for my son or my husband, so I probably should have let my husband smell these to see if he was interested in any of these, because I did have 2 fragrances in here that I was going to get rid of, but he ended up taking them, so I'm not getting rid of those. But yeah, these are just different vanillas. I know that one smells like Hypnotic Poison, the Dior Hypnotic Poison, which I think I ended up getting rid of that one like last year or something. And I don't remember what the other 2 smell like. You would have to check that video out, or, you know, Google the fragrances yourself. But all of these are a 1 fluid ounce bottles, these and those. So I would put these in a little set if you want them, or like I said, separately, because I want to say separately, I forgot how much they cost individually. I feel like they're no more than 20, maybe no less than 15 individually. I don't know, I have to look them up, but if you want them in a set, we can do that. This is in here. This first one is a Paris Hilton one. This one is Gold Rush. I never reached for her. I got this one because Jasmine Buller used to talk about this one all the time, but I don't reach for this, y'all. So I'm like, I need to get rid of it. Anything that is a celebrity fragrance that I don't reach for, I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm trying to see what size this is. I can't even see. I want to say this is a 1 ounce. So this is a 1 ounce bottle. Y'all, super cute though, but I don't even wear these. And then the other one that's a celebrity fragrance is Jessica Simpson's Fancy. I had Fancy back in the day, but I don't know. I don't ever reach for it. I don't ever reach for it, so I'm willing to get rid of them. My favorite celebrity fragrances are like Britney Spears, so I keep all of hers, the ones that I do have. Okay, let's see what else we haven't. I think we only have like 4 more fragrances, okay? So I have Ellis Brooklyn B. I got this one either last year or something, and I really thought I was going to love it. I don't know. It could be the season that I don't know. Something about honey can just be a hit or miss with me. And as you can see, she is fully full. I don't think I've ever worn her, maybe once, but this is a full size 1.7 ounce bottle. I did pay full price for this. I don't even wear her. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Also, I'm getting rid of my Dolce & Gabbana Peony. I used to love this fragrance. I have been through probably 2 of these fragrances like in my lifetime, and she does have a little bow on it, but I don't know where it is. I think my daughter had stretched it out a long time ago, so I have it, but it looks kind of dumb. One is discontinued. This is Peony, and I really used to love this one, but now I just don't ever reach for her. I have 2 other ones that I reach for way more. It's a yellow one and then the pink one, which is Lily. I love those, and I just don't reach for her anymore. So it's now discontinued. So, you know, these are kind of harder to find, but yeah, I think it's time to get rid of her. I also am thinking about, I haven't been 100% yet, but I think I want to get rid of Afternoon Delight by Replica. As you can see, I've tried to wear her a few times, and I feel like every time I try to wear her, it just doesn't work for me. And this little bitty bottle, I think this little bitty bottle was like $80 or $90. I did pay full price for this, but I don't ever really use her. I feel like I still have the box for her. So if you are interested in it, I will ship her in a box. If I have the box for anything, I will for sure send the box. I know I have the box for this. And then the last one is actually a fragrance I had talked about getting rid of before, but I ended up deciding to keep it, and then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna wear her. This is Giorgio Armani Si Passione, and this is one that I want to say is discontinued. She is still pretty full. I've only used her once or twice. I never reached for her, and I think I let my husband smell this one. Nope, I didn't let him smell this one. I didn't let him smell this one because I was gonna get rid of this one. I was gonna see if he wanted this, but I didn't let him smell this one yet. But if anyone is interested, I definitely would be willing to get rid of that one. The two I ended up giving him was like a Givenchy. Oh, it was a Joe Malone because I was gonna get rid of my Scarlet Poppy. I just don't really love that one, y'all. I don't really love it, and I thought I was going to love it when I bought it, and then I didn't. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That's pretty much everything that I am getting rid of this time around. Again, if you are interested, hit me up, let me know. But that is it, you guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.